Want to instantly level up your WordPress website's design with professional styling? We'll cover adding Bootstrap to your WordPress site. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, then Theme File Editor. It's important to note, directly editing theme files can be risky, so make sure you have a recent backup of your website or are using a child theme. On the right side of the screen, locate and click on the header.php file. This is where we'll add the Bootstrap CSS link. Inside the header.php file, find the opening head tag. We need to insert the Bootstrap CSS link just before the closing less than head tag. Now, paste the following Bootstrap CD and link above the closing less than head tag. I'll put this link in the description so you can easily copy and paste it. This link connects your website to Bootstrap CSS. Once you've pasted the code, click the Update File button at the bottom of the editor. Be careful to avoid making any other changes to this file. Next, we'll enqueue the Bootstrap JavaScript files. This is best done through your theme's functions.php file. It helps load JavaScript files. On the right side of the screen, locate and click on the functions.php file. Inside the functions.php file, paste the following code. Again, I'll add this to the description for easy copying. This code enqueues Bootstrap's JavaScript, including popper.js for dropdown and tooltip functionality, ensuring they load in the correct order and at the bottom of the page for optimal performance. Click the Update File button at the bottom of the editor after pasting the code. Refresh your website. You should now see Bootstrap styling applied to elements like your buttons, forms, and other components. You now have Bootstrap integrated into your WordPress site.